Today we will answer the question on the difference between epicenter and focus, and how faults generate earthquakes. The difference of the epicenter and focus is that the focus, hypocenter, is the exact point inside the Earth where the earthquake starts, usually deep underground, while the epicenter is the point on the Earth's surface, directly above the focus. It is where the earthquake's effects are usually strongest. Faults generate earthquakes when stress builds up in the Earth's crust due to tectonic forces. Over time, this stress exceeds the friction holding the fault together, causing a sudden release of energy. This energy travels as seismic waves, shaking the ground and resulting in an earthquake.